Hello, my name's Divya. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist. Now, before anybody says anything, the reason why I'm emphasizing on the word licensed clinical psychologist is because I did 2 years of a maddening course which pushed me really off the edge a couple of times. And it's known as MPhil in Clinical Psychology, which gives me a license to practice in the country. I'm registered with the government. So that's the basic difference between a psychologist as opposed to that of a clinical psychologist, as a licensed clinical psychologist. Okay, now why are you being compelled to watch this video? You're not being compelled, but why would you want to watch this video? So I recognize that as a working professional during the pandemic as well, I was still working during the pandemic, and I recognize that there are a lot of mental health doubts and stigmas and weird questions people pop at times, which is something that is still very, very prominent. And that's where it comes to me that I recognize people may not be aware about all these things simply because of the fact that they're not exposed to this as much as they should be. And prejudices and discrimination is something, or stigma is something that is kind of carried on over the years, and it is present over the years. It's like something like we pass on from one generation to another. This is like our ancestral property. Stigma about mental health is like an ancestral property that you're passing on from one generation to the other. And I really think it's high time that we really stop doing that, because it is important, and much more important now, considering the pandemic, considering the lockdown situation, considering everything that we knew about life is now changing. Okay, having said this, let us understand what is mental health. If you go on Google and you type mental health, it is going to be very, very clear, and it states that it is a state of mental well-being. When we look at physical illnesses, or we look at difficulties in physical functioning, I rush to a doctor. मुझको दर्द हो रहा है, मुझे आंख में दर्द हो रहा है, हाँ मुझे 4 दिन से रोना आ रहा है, मैं ठीक से खाना नहीं खा पा रही हूँ, मुझे किसी चीज़ में दिल नहीं लग रहा है, मुझे बहुत घबराहट हो रही है, मुझे अजीब अजीब थॉट्स आ रहे हैं. नहीं, दिस इज नॉट अ पॉइंट ऑफ कंसर्न. आई शुड स्टे एट होम. Is that giving you a solution? Ask yourself, is that a solution? If you're having stomachache, I'll be like, don't think about it. Does that help you? Do you give instruction to your body? नहीं, अभी सांस ले लो, अभी छोड़ दो. अच्छा, अभी दिल धड़क लो, अरे अभी मत धड़को, बहुत एनर्जी जा रही है. ऐसे नहीं होता ना, बॉडी ऐसे नहीं बिहेव करती. तो हम बेचारे अपने दिमाग को ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं? योर ब्रेन इज योर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन, and somehow we all manage to disrespect it to a point where I feel our brain should really not like us. When we look at statistics, 1 out of 5 people is having mental illness in our country. That basically means अगर एक खानदान में 6 लोग हैं या 5 लोग हैं, उसमें से एक इंसान को कोई मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम है. अगर आपको दिक्कत दिखाई देती है, अगर आपको अपने अंदर दिक्कत दिखाई दे रही है, किसी और के अंदर दिक्कत दिखाई दे रही है, तो you should speak up for it. Don't sit on it. I will be able to help, or when I say I here, I basically mean any mental health care professional will be able to help you when you come. I will not come home. See, जब पोलियो बहुत स्प्रेड हो रहा था, तब अमिताभ बच्चन को उसके स्क्रीन पर डाल के हमने सब जगह घुमाया था. घर घर गए थे, पोलियो के ड्रॉप्स डाले थे बच्चों के मुंह में. ऐसे साइकोलॉजिस्ट के साथ नहीं कर सकते हैं कि मेंटल हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल आपके घर आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि इतने हैं नहीं हमारी कंट्री में. ये हमारा बहुत बड़ा ड्रॉबैक है. वी डोंट हैव एज मेनी प्रोफेशनल्स. आई कांट कम टू योर हाउस एंड बी लाइक, oh let's do a clinical setup. And the worst part is, I'm not polio drops. If I come to your house and be like, hello, let's talk about things, you're gonna chuck me out of your house. Is that ancestral stigma that we are carrying forward, that anybody who has a mental health care problem or is having mental health issues is somebody who's mad. I didn't put that synonym there. I didn't put that adjective there. That's coming from your end. 50% of my job is literally trying to convince people that it is not madness. I went on the internet and I found out what is the textbook definition of the word stigma. It states negative attitude or belief towards this group which creates prejudice, which leads to negative actions and discrimination. Thoda complicated? Let's do prejudice. What does prejudice mean? Prejudice means it is a preconceived opinion that is not based on reason. So, when I am stigmatizing somebody or I am labeling somebody, I am having a preconceived notion about that individual which is not based on fact. What does that show about me? When I am stigmatizing another person, I am the one who's wrong. I am the one who's having problems. The person who I am stigmatizing is the person who's attempting to seek help for themselves. They are trying to get better for themselves. Today, when we see stats, we see that almost 1 in 5 people are having mental health problems. These are those people who are coming forward and discussing their mental health care problems. अगर मैं एक hypothetical figure बनाऊं of all the people who are actually having problems instead of all the people who are coming forth, this figure is going to be something that is skyrocketing figures. 36 million people having anxiety, 58 million people having depression. Are you kidding me? We are the most depressed nation. ऐसा क्या करते हैं हम लोग? हम यहाँ बोलते हैं कि वेस्टर्न कल्चर बहुत ही डिप्रेसिंग है. एवरीबडी हैज एन इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक कल्चर एंड एवरीबडी इज ओनली बॉदर्ड अबाउट देमसेल्व्स एंड दे डोंट हैव एनी सेंस ऑफ कम्युनिटी. We are a community-based culture and we are the most depressed. I'm not saying that there's something wrong with our community. I'm saying there's something wrong in the way we're approaching mental health. We have to change this orientation that we have towards mental health. Which brings me to why these videos are shot in the first place. It is to facilitate and understand mental health, to understand the illnesses that are there, and to somewhere I would be giving you examples of, for example, I recently saw this patient and they said that she feels that she's not depressed, whereas all the symptoms that she says were of depression. So that got me thinking that when someone says that they are having depression, what are they thinking? That they're supposed to be sitting in a corner, hiding in one corner, crying and being suicidal. Is that depression? That's a classical form which was shown to us in the 50s. Depression today, or depression in general, person can be absolutely normal. They can be walking around, they can be having conversations, they can hold a job. I am not being able to function at my optimal. ये अगर मेरा baseline है, एक imaginary line imagine करते हैं horizontally, अगर वो मेरा baseline है, anything that is under, if I'm not being able to reach my baseline, if I'm somewhere under the baseline, that essentially means that I am having depressive features. Okay, now that we've established that, I would be attempting to bring out at least one video a week. So any suggestion, anything that you would like to give me and suggest, please let me know. Anything that you would want me to shoot, do let me know that as well. And let's see how this goes, and if I'm able to help anybody out, I will be very, very happy about it.